Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into MyVeteransUnited app review. So to get started with a quick overview, MyVeteran app is a mobile platform developed by MyVeteransUnited Home Loan designed to streamline the VA home loan process for veteran and active duty service member available on both iOS and Android device. The app offers a range of features including loan approval, document uploading, tax management, and electronic signing and payment tracking together with document upload. It aims to provide a user-friendly experience that simplifies home financial from the start to finish. Talking about the strength of this platform, the app allows users to check loan eligibility and get pre-approved and manage tax through the specialized to-do list, ensure the structured approach to the home buying process. Now, talking about the downside of this platform, the app is exclusive for clients of MyVeteransUnited Home Loan, which may restrict the utility for those exploring other lenders. Some users have reported occasional glitch or delay in receipt processing, which can affect the untimely credit of rewards. And here's a quick bottom line about this platform. MyVeteransUnited app offers a robust suite of tools tailored to veteran and active duty service member navigating the VA home loan process. Its comprehensive features from pre-approved to payment management combined with high user satisfaction rating make it a valuable resource for those utilizing MyVeteransUnited home loans.